How are you? Hope all of you are fine and safe at your home. Students, today we will start our poem number 5. Trees are the kindest things I know. Now, when you get tired of walking on a hot day, you sometimes stop under the shade of a tree. Don't you feel grateful to the tree for protecting you from the heat? कि जब आप कभी गर्मी के दिनों में चलते चलते थक जाते हैं तो आप एक ट्री के शेड के नीचे आराम करते हैं, तो क्या ऐसा अच्छा महसूस होता है कि ट्री जो है वो हमें हीट से प्रोटेक्ट कर रही है? ऐसा आपको क्या फील होता है? Now, do you know the names of the trees in the school compound or near your school? How many trees are there? कि आपको उन ट्रीज के नाम लिखने हैं जो आपके स्कूल कंपाउंड या आपके स्कूल के आसपास हैं, और कितने पेड़ लगे हुए हैं. नाउ कैन यू नेम सम ट्रीज विच गिव अस फ्रूट? क्या आप उन फ्रूट्स के नाम बता सकते हैं जो हमें फल देते हैं? तो जैसा कि आपको हेडिंग से समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स कि ट्रीज आर द काइंडेस्ट थिंग्स आई नो, दिस वन इज द पोएम विच इज written about the importance of trees, and this poem is written by Harry Ben. So first I read the poem to you, so all of you have to listen it carefully. Trees are the kindest things I know, they do no harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new buds of green. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. This is the poem which is written by Harry Ben. In this poem, students, it tells that trees are the kindest living beings on the earth. They give us fruits to eat and wood to make our houses. They provide shade to animals and shelter to birds. They are the first to receive the light of the moon and beams of sun. कि जो ट्रीज होते हैं वो सबसे ज्यादा दयालु होते हैं पूरे अर्थ में. वो हमें फ्रूट्स देते हैं खाने के लिए, वुड देते हैं अपना घर बनाने के लिए, शेड प्रोवाइड करते हैं एनिमल्स को, शेल्टर देते हैं बर्ड्स को. वो ही एक पहले ऐसे होते हैं जो रिसीव करते हैं मून की लाइट और सन की लाइट. हेलोइन में, जो हेलोइन एक त्योहार माना जाता है स्प्रिंग के हेलोइन में, तो उसमें जो लीव्स होती हैं ट्रीज की, जो सूखी पत्तियां गिरती हैं उसको बर्न करते हैं. स्प्रिंग में जब नए बर्ड्स आते हैं ग्रीन के, उस समय जो पत्तियां गिरती हैं तो उन्हें हेलोइन में यूज किया जाता है. जब मून फ्लोट होता है स्काई में, उस समय पर जो पेड़ हैं वो धीरे धीरे हम करते हैं. हम करना मीन्स गुनगुनाना. लूलाबाई मीन्स लोरी. ऐसा लगता है वो लोरी सुना रहे हैं छोटे छोटे बच्चों को. तो इस तरह से जो ट्री होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स, वो सबसे ज्यादा काइंडेस्ट होते हैं, सबसे ज्यादा दयालु होते हैं. सो द राइमिंग वर्ड्स ऑफ दैट पोएम आर नो, ग्रो, काउस, बाउस, above, of, Halloween, green, begin, sun, light, night, sky, lullaby, ago, no. So you have to write all these rhyming words in your notebook, draw the picture of that poem and write the poem in your fair copy. Now go to the glossary. Here there are meaning of tough words. Boughs means branches, beams means rays, drowsy means sleepy, lullaby means a song we sing to help a child fall asleep. Now go to the exercise. There are first listen and repeat. You have to listen the words and repeat it. No, grow, crow, fun, sun, begin, light, night, bright, scene, green, queen. Now word power. Here the following words tell us about different parts of a tree. Now add some more words like roots, trunk, branches, leaves, stem, flowers, fruits. Write 5 words which have relation to trees like forest, wood, garden, orchards, oxygen, fruits, canopy. Next, fill in the blanks using the correct letters from EI, IE, EA and EE. Now the words are leaves, speed, trees, priest, green, sleepy, wheel, ceiling, believe, cream, deceive, street, receive, cheap, between, cheese. Now go to the comprehension. Complete the following statements. Now trees are useful because they give us fruits and vegetables to eat and wood to make houses and furniture. Trees are kind because they give us shade from the scorching heat of the sun and provide shelter to the birds. Third, trees are beautiful because they bear flowers and also make our surrounding green and soothing. Now next, answer the following. Can you name 2 other things which are as kind as tree? So here, tree के जैसा और कौन ऐसा होता है kind? So there are the earth, river, cow, hen, all are as kind as trees. Question number 2. Which lines in the poem tell us about the sun and sunlight? Now the lines are, they are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. The poet says they are the last to hold the light. What does they stand for? So here they stands for trees. Now students, write the summary of the poem with the help of following clues. So trees are the kindest living beings on the earth. They provide cool shade to man. They also give us fruits and wood. They also one who receives the light of the moon and morning sun. So here students, we complete our lesson number 5. Trees are the kindest things I know. So you have to write the poem in your notebook and write all the exercises of lesson in your notebook and learn it.